Hello, this is just the beginning of Taumarunui. As you come into Taumarunui, just going to have to excuse a bit of the noise. There could be a bit of traffic noise behind us. This is the signs as you come in from north heading south. Beautiful little spot here. Got the river down here. Excellent little river here, especially in the summertime. Come down here, just sit back and have a little picnic. There you go. It's a great little spot along here. The thing is you've got a bit of traffic noise. But other than that, she's a beauty of a spot. That's just as you come into Taumarunui or just leaving, heading north. So you see a lot of big trucks coming through the town of Taumarunui. You got all these activities that go on. You got whitewater rafting. It's quite good here. One of the rivers goes into the Whanganui River. It's good to learn rafting in. Pretty safe river. It's a picture of our mountains. I will take you up to Mount Ruapehu sometime and show you around the snow. And we've got plenty of snow up there, so it's worth it. So poor Bear's sitting in the car. She's waiting to get out to have a little bit of a run around, so I'll let her out and let her have a bit of a run around. So she doesn't miss out on being anywhere. She likes to have a bit of a run around when we stop at spots. It's just a bit dangerous here. We're right on the main road. For some reason I can't get the back door open, but there we go. There she is, she loves it. Come here, Bear. Come here, down here. It's always let her out for a bit of a run around wherever we are, so she gets to have a bit of a play. Beautiful spot down here. You can actually just drive down into this little car park down here. Come here, Bear. Bear. Come here. It's lovely. We've got beautiful flaxes and the flowers out. You've got the tuis that love the flax. It's one of the New Zealand natives. Come on, Bear. He wants to come down and have a look at the river, so we'll take you down and we'll have a little look at the river. There's a bit of water in it at the moment. It's just that time of the year. We've just had some rain, so yeah, there's plenty of water. There's our river here. It's quite deep out in this bit right here. Yeah, it's pretty deep out there. Good little spot to put your canoe in. There's little spots where you can walk down and put your canoe in. We'll put the canoe in here. Yeah, the kids and dog goes on the canoe. Bear hasn't been on our Canadian canoe. We've got a Canadian canoe with a bit of a little motor on it that we'll one day show you. Put it on the put it in the water here. Here, Bear, Bear. There's your people coming down. It's a lovely little spot here. Here we go. Come here, Bear. Come here, Bear. Come here, please. Come here, Bear. Bear. Good girl. I can't walk too far. Yeah, I can't walk too far. It's a bit hard for me to walking around, but I'll show you a few tracks when we on our little river walk. There's some tracks, but I'll do that in the wheelchair. And that'll be on another video for you guys to watch. Be just along a few little tracks where we can go and show you where you can, you know, do little walks or mountain bike walks around the rivers. Here it's like, you know, there's depends on how far you want to go, but you're probably you know, an hour walk just around the rivers down this little river here, and then you go down onto Cherry Grove, and there's a track around Cherry Grove that goes up, probably takes you a 20-minute walk, but it's probably from here to Cherry Grove probably 15-minute walk, and then from Cherry Grove down to the next bridge. Not quite sure what that's called, but you can walk right along the river. It's probably about, you know, like another 15 minutes, but there's you can walk right down to Taumarunui. Come here, Bear. Yeah, so it's a great walk. So that's a bit of a view of the canoe there on top of the signs. Come on, Bear. So yeah, that's us. We'll see you on the next one. Okay.